So car repair, so car garage. Get straight to the point here. We're changing the starter on a 2005 Mustang GT. So as you can see, got the car jacked up and on jack stands. So you come to the front of the car, you got the transmission pan here, follow it up. Here's your starter. It's pretty simple to take out. So there's a 10mm nut that sits right here. Let's go ahead and loosen that, take it off. So you can slide this back. And next you want to get this nut off here. It's 13mm. And move that cable to the side. So now you just need to remove the mounting bolts. So there's one here, another on the top, and then there's one above that one that you can't see. Yeah, you can see it right there. That's the third one we need to take out. So I'm gonna go ahead and loosen that up now. So this is the setup that I use to get to that hard to reach bolt up there. You can see it's removed. And the other two you can pretty much get out with a wrench or a ratchet, either one will work. Go ahead and pull these last two bolts out and get the starter out here. All right, so with those three bolts removed, starter comes out. Go ahead and get our new starter here. It's an AC Delco starter. Go ahead and get this installed in the car. Just basically do everything you did in reverse order. And that's how you replace a starter in 2005 through 2009 Mustang GT. So car repair, so car garage. Like, share, subscribe. Peace out.